Starting your day with intention and mindfulness can make a profound difference in how you feel and perform throughout the day. A well-rounded morning routine designed to nurture both your body and mind can boost your mood, increase your energy, and set a positive tone for everything that follows. In this article, we'll explore a comprehensive morning routine that promotes mind-body wellness, combining physical activities, mindfulness practices, and self-care techniques to help you feel balanced, focused, and ready to face the day. 1. Hydrate your body. One of the simplest yet most powerful ways to start your morning is by hydrating your body. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, your body is dehydrated, and drinking a large glass of water upon waking helps replenish your system. Consider adding a slice of lemon or a splash of apple cider vinegar for an extra detoxifying effect. Lemon water not only aids digestion, but also provides a refreshing burst of vitamin C, which can boost your immune system. Hydration helps kickstart your metabolism, flush out toxins, and prepares your body to absorb nutrients from the food you consume later. As you drink, take a few deep breaths and visualize the water nourishing every cell in your body. This simple act of mindfulness can help set a calming tone for your day. 2. Practice mindful movement. Moving your body first thing in the morning is crucial for awakening your muscles, stimulating circulation, and energizing your mind. Choose a form of movement that resonates with you. This could be yoga, stretching, a brisk walk, or a light workout. For example, a 10-15-minute yoga flow can help stretch out any tension that built up overnight, increase flexibility, and promote a sense of calm. Start with gentle neck rolls, shoulder shrugs, and move into poses like cat-cow, downward dog, and child's pose. Focus on your breath and the sensations in your body, allowing you to connect your mind and body in a harmonious rhythm. Mindful movement not only energizes your body, but also clears your mind, preparing you for the challenges ahead. 3. Cultivate gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful practice that can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance, from stress to joy. Start your day by taking a few minutes to write down 3 things you're grateful for. It could be something as simple as the warm sunlight streaming through your window or the support of a loved one. Research shows that practicing gratitude regularly can improve mood, increase optimism, and reduce anxiety. As you write, take a moment to truly feel the gratitude in your heart. Reflect on why these things matter to you and how they contribute to your overall well-being. This practice not only boosts your mental health, but also sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. 4. Engage in breathing exercises. After practicing gratitude, spend a few minutes doing deep breathing exercises. The 4-7-8 breathing technique is a simple and effective way to calm your nervous system. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds, hold your breath for 7 seconds, and exhale slowly through your mouth for 8 seconds. Repeat this cycle 5 times. Deep breathing helps lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, improves concentration, and promotes relaxation. By focusing on your breath, you cultivate a sense of mindfulness and presence that can help you navigate the day with greater calm and clarity. 5. Prepare a nutritious breakfast. Fueling your body with a balanced breakfast is essential for maintaining energy levels throughout the day. Choose foods that are rich in nutrients, such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and lean proteins. For example, you could have oatmeal topped with berries and nuts, a green smoothie loaded with spinach and chia seeds, or avocado toast on whole grain bread. Make your breakfast a mindful activity. As you prepare and eat your meal, avoid distractions like checking your phone or watching TV. Instead, focus on the textures, flavors, and colors of your food. Eating mindfully helps improve digestion, enhances satisfaction, and promotes a healthy relationship with food. 6. Set daily intentions. Before diving into the tasks of the day, take a moment to set clear intentions. Think about what you want to achieve today. not just in terms of tasks, but also in terms of how you want to feel and interact with others. Write down 1 to 3 intentions, such as, I intend to approach today with calm and patience, or I intend to nourish my body with healthy foods. Setting intentions helps direct your focus and energy towards what truly matters, keeping you aligned with your values and goals throughout the day. It's a simple practice that can profoundly impact your mindset and productivity. 7. Practice mental resilience exercises. Developing mental resilience is key to managing stress and maintaining a positive outlook. Spend a few minutes visualizing a challenging situation and imagine yourself handling it with calm and confidence. You can also repeat positive affirmations that reinforce your strengths, such as I am capable of overcoming challenges or I am resilient and adaptable. These exercises help train your mind to remain calm and focused even in the face of adversity and build a mental framework for handling stress effectively. 8. Refresh and rejuvenate. After completing your core routine, take a moment for a quick refresh. Splash your face with cold water, brush your teeth, or take a short, invigorating shower. These small actions can help you feel more awake, alert, and ready to take on the day. A quick refresh also signals to your body that it's time to transition from a state of rest to one of action and productivity. It's a great way to cap off your morning routine and step into your day with energy and enthusiasm. 9. Embrace a moment of stillness. Before rushing into your day, give yourself a few minutes of stillness. Sit comfortably, close your eyes, and simply breathe. No goals, no tasks, just be. This mindful moment helps anchor you in the present, cultivates a sense of peace, and prepares your mind for the day's challenges. Use this time to check in with yourself. How do you feel? What are your thoughts? This practice of mindfulness fosters self-awareness and helps you stay connected to your inner self throughout the day. 10. Consistency is key. Remember, the goal of a morning routine is not perfection, but consistency. It's better to start with a few simple steps and build from there than to aim for an overly ambitious routine that feels overwhelming. Find what works best for you and be patient with yourself as you develop these new habits. Over time, you'll find that these practices become second nature, setting a positive and balanced tone for your entire day. Conclusion: creating a morning routine for mind-body wellness is a powerful way to transform your life. By incorporating simple practices like hydration, mindful movement, gratitude, and breathing exercises, you can cultivate a state of balance, peace, and energy that will carry you throughout your day. Remember, your morning sets the stage for everything that follows, so make it count. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the benefits of a balanced, mindful morning routine. Here's to creating mornings that nourish both your body and mind. Feel free to share your own morning routines or any tips that help you stay balanced and well. Don't forget to subscribe to Balance Echo for more tips on mind-body wellness.